Hello, I'm Priyal, welcoming you all to a new episode of City Tour. Today we are going to the cultural capital of Maharashtra, that is Pune. If you haven't been here before, this experience will be perfect for you. We are going to explore everything, from historical heritage to food culture. So let's go! If you're visiting Pune and you haven't seen Shaniwar Wada, that means you haven't toured Pune. So we are going to start today's episode from Shaniwar Wada. So let's go. This palace was built by Thorle Bajirao in the year 1732 and it was later known as the capital of the Peshwas. There was a place for Mastani on the right side of the palace, but there is nothing left now. You can see the remains of the palace, but by looking at all this, you can guess how huge this was. So after touring Pune in the hot afternoon, I feel like drinking something cold. So I've come to savor Pune's famous drink Mastani. Heavenly. Now I have come to the Srimant Dagdu Shet Halwai temple in Pune. This is the most beautiful and famous shrine in Pune. This is not just a religious place, but a pride of culture of the Pune people. It was established in 1893. I've just prayed to Lord Ganesha and I'm very happy to see him. So let's take his blessings and move on. I have come to Parvati Hills and this is one of the highest peaks in the city. Its height is approximately 21,000 feet and this is not just a tourist spot but also a religious and a historical site. So when you come here, you can see the Vitthal Rakhumai temple. Beside it, there is Peshwa Museum and there is a Shankar Parvati temple. So first, let's go to the Shankar Parvati temple and then we'll come here and explore. The history of this temple is connected to the Peshwas and this temple was established by the Peshwas in the year 1749. Here is the temple of Shankar Parvati, Kartikeya and Ganpati. Among them, the Parvati temple is the most famous and it is carved on a black stone. Here you can see such beautiful sculptures. Balaji Peshwa's mother, that is Kashibai, had sprained her leg. And then he prayed that if her leg heals, then he should build a temple of Parvatai Devi. And after that, this beautiful temple was established. The excitement of FC Road is unbearable and you can't complete the tour of Pune without seeing the culture. Even though this road is famous for Ferguson College, it is very close to the youth culture here. Now I have come to Rupali restaurant of FC Road and now I'm going to try the South Indian food here. Amazing! When I came here, I didn't know what to buy and what not to. So now I'm going to do some shopping. If you want to experience this, then visit the website of Maharashtra Tourism and plan your city tour. So let's meet again in the new episode of City Tour. Till then, keep watching City Tour Maharashtra.